Welcome to the user channel. Let's start for today with new video. This is a classic example of hit and run video.
Oh my gosh. Oh wow. Got that all off camera. Holy.
Oh, that's why I'm not blazing through here. Hang on. Are you guys alright? Are you okay?
Always pay attention to the road ahead and keep your distance between the cars. Always look in the review mirror multiple times.
New death toll from COVID-19 in the United States after hundreds more people recently lost their lives. The CDC also confirming nearly 3 million cases of.
Next 3 videos shows you what would happen if you don't respect traffic light.
Nigga skip the ball cause you mad at dog. Snatch the P89
Shit! Oh my god! God!
Pay attention to the other cars in traffic.
Oh my!
Always pay attention to the road ahead and keep your distance between the cars.
So don't take a chance with those other guys. Bet on a better breakfast with Wendy's bacon or sausage, egg, and cheese biscuit. Choose wisely.
Pay attention to the other cars in traffic.
I gotta call Mary because I know Pooh told her. Car just hit us, Bob.
Yep.
As you head through Tustin and into Santa Ana, very slow traffic through there. Then on the southbound side, just past La Paz Road, we've got a traffic hazard recorded. So, of course, CHP is on the way to check it out, see whether or not it's a stalled car or some debris in the roadway.
Starting just about past Avenue on the 134 eastbound, a little west.